Today, put a little mouse tracks. Let's turn around. Mess it up. We gotta wake up the dinosaur. 2, 3, 4. Let's go! Motion time!
Today, we have the McQueen crew. And they're gonna race! We even have Dinoco King here. He's coming out of retirement to try to wake up the dinosaurs.
That's the Dino King.
Oh, Nicole couldn't do it. Who do you want to pick next?
This one.
Grab it.
Go!
He couldn't do it. Maybe we should try Jackson Storm. What do you think?
I choose this one.
Okay.
Let's go, the McQueen. I'm knocking down. Let's clear the stairs again. It's for the big guys. Look up. That's a big motor.
Big motor.
That's a look up and hit the target. Now also circus turn. Giant T-Rex. It was lost. Oh. It's on the loose.